Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a medium-level problem on LeetCode. It's called Remove Covered Intervals. This problem is all about removing intervals that are covered by another interval. And I'm excited to share my solution with you. So let's dive right in. The problem statement is quite straightforward. We're given a list of intervals. And our goal is to remove the intervals that are covered by another interval. For example, if we have two intervals, let's say from 1 to 3, and from 1 to 2, the second interval is covered by the first one, so we should remove it. Now, let's break down the problem and see how we can approach it. The intuition behind this problem is that if two intervals have the same start value, the one with the larger end value should come first. Think of it like a race, where the intervals are the runners, and the start value is the starting line. If two runners start at the same time, the one who runs the farthest should be considered first. This core insight is crucial in solving this problem, and it will help us to come up with an efficient solution. Now that we have the intuition, let's walk through the approach. We're going to sort the intervals based on their start values and end values. If two intervals have the same start value, the one with the larger end value comes first. Then, we're going to iterate through the sorted intervals. And for each interval, we're going to check if its end value is greater than the current rightmost end value. If it is, we increment the counter and update the rightmost end value. This way, we can keep track of the number of remaining intervals. Let's take a look at the code. We start by defining a class solution with a function remove covered intervals that takes a vector of intervals as input. We sort the intervals based on their start values and end values using a lambda function. The lambda function checks if the start value of the first interval is less than the start value of the second interval, or if the start values are equal. It checks if the end value of the first interval is greater than the end value of the second interval. Then, we initialize a counter to keep track of the number of remaining intervals and a variable to keep track of the rightmost end value. We iterate through the sorted intervals. And for each interval, we check if its end value is greater than the current rightmost end value. If it is, we increment the counter and update the rightmost end value. Finally, we return the counter, which represents the number of remaining intervals. Now, let's talk about the time and space complexity of this solution. The time complexity is O(n log n). Because of the sorting operation, the subsequent for loop takes O(n) time, but it's dominated by the sorting operation. The space complexity is O(1) if we don't consider the space required for sorting, or O(n) if we consider the space required for sorting. This is because the sorting operation may require extra space depending on the sorting algorithm used. And that's it, guys. That's my solution for the remove covered intervals problem. I hope you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions or you'd like to share your own approach, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment your approach below.